If you're a coach, consultant, or course creator, I will talk about 7 powerful organic lead generation strategy that can help you to sell more courses and coaching for your business. By the way, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe because more than 80% of my viewers have not subscribed yet. So please do subscribe. I will talk about those strategies that exactly help me to generate over 3,500 organic quality leads for my coaching business. Are you ready for it? Let's go. For the first strategy, the first one, by engaging other groups and finding a niche specific groups that can help you to generate organic leads. Let me give deep dive into how you can actually do it. So here you go. So when it comes to generating leads through other groups, it is simple. You need to search on Facebook. So first we'll be focusing more on Facebook because Facebook has a massive audience that other social media don't have. So let's suppose you are a coach and you are targeting parents. So maybe parents can be part of the parents specific groups, or moms, dads, or you can think of what kind of keyword they will search. Maybe they will search about parenting if they know parenting is a topic they want to learn. If you are targeting parents, so you can search for parents in the search bar. So let's suppose here I am search for parenting. So you need to understand what actually customers search. Okay, so and also you need to understand what you will search so that you will find right specific groups. So whenever you are going to find a groups, go to this group section and there are a lot of groups. So there is a way to filter these groups. First, make sure whenever before joining any group, you need to find like how many posts these groups have. Some groups have like 3 posts a week, which is a very slow group. So find out active group which is at least 10 plus posts a day, and don't get overwhelmed with lot of groups. Join a 2 to 3 quality group, that is enough. And don't join seller group, means like everybody is selling and who is going to buy. So make sure go with a private group and specifically where actually there is a value engagement is happening so that you can contribute to that engagement. Other groups is something that I am not recommending to directly go and jump into that groups and start selling. No, our mission is not to promote ourselves as just a buy. Our complete focus should be a value based marketing, not just hype based, not just promotion based, nothing like that. Once you join this group, understand the language of that groups, what exactly they're doing. Then what you can do is you can start, let's visit this group. I'm part of this group. So you can go and comment specific questions like this. A lot of questions are there. You can go and answer them. You can also ask questions. You can also add value post. Do not give any call to action, by the way. As we say, it is a value based marketing. Give call to action, like you can ask something that is, you can say what do you think about it. So take some suggestions for it. That's how you can do it. There are a lot of other niches are there. So similarly, find out what type of groups. I'm talking about little difficult task for you, I know, but once you find a 1 or 2 group, it can change your business. Literally, one group that helped me in 2020 that actually changed my business. So do not ignore of this particular part. Second strategy where you go little faster way, which is using the Facebook page method, where you will find a page where your audience hangs out. So the one strategy that we use in a marketing is understanding where my target audience spend most of their time. So what do? We'll need to go to the page. When it comes to page, what you need to work on is find influencer page, find a specific niche page where you feel my audience is engaging in that particular page. So you can connect them, like how you connect on in LinkedIn. Similarly, you can connect here. So once you build connections, you can promote your stuff on your page, on your profile, that thing. So that is the way. Let me show you the demonstration how you can do it. Let's suppose one example, I'll say Tony Robbins. I believe Tony Robbins is an influencer, everybody knows. So let's suppose Tony Robbins is a big influencer in the industry, in coaching industry. So he's having a very powerful page. Now his page has a lot of engagement. So what you can do is you can go through the comments, those who are doing comments, and specifically those who are engaging. These people can be part of your. I'm giving an example. Similarly, you can target specific pages for your niche. Another hack, if you really wanted to see this, like, okay, this specific influencer must have some groups. So if you are struggling to find a groups, another way to find a groups from the strategy number 1 is go to this and find groups, and you can see a lot of groups are there, but a lot of group are not allowed unless you pay for that. But there is a groups which is a bigger group, which is a free to entry. It's the fastest way to find a group. Got it? If you are liking it, put a thumbs up or give us some bulb on comments in the comment box. The third strategy is to finding a Facebook ads where your target audience hangs out, where your target audience spending time. So it means you don't have to run Facebook ads. You have to find the Facebook ads which are targeting your customer. Do you think this is a powerful strategy? Yes. This strategy can help you to find a targeted audience. They are already running for it. It can be your competitor, they're running ads, or it can be your complementers. Complementers means they have a different product and services, not like yours, but they do have audience that you want to target. So let's see how it works. Here you go. There's a two ads that I can see over here. You can see this coach easily. So Purushottam is a very good friend and he's targeting coaches. Definitely he's targeting new coaches, or mostly his target audience is coach. So how you find this coach? Because you must be following some pages, some people or some influencer in your niche, so that you can definitely find it. Otherwise you can use Facebook ads library for finding specific keyword ads that you can do. So here some people are already engaging. Don't you think these people can be your target audience? I'm giving an example of mine. Another example, something I saw is something Excelly. Here are the ads of Excelly where they're targeted coaches. So this is the people who are engaging these people, because they are the people who are engaging in this post. They are my target audience. They are spending money to target these people. So what you need to do is you need to connect those people, building the connections. You don't have to sell. Selling will happen to your profile. Promotion will happen to you on your profile. First, build the connections. Here I'm talking about, it is not a just push-based marketing or outreach-based marketing. It is completely value-based marketing. The fourth strategy, that is building your own Facebook group. Building own Facebook group where you control your traffic. Almost you control, because Facebook definitely you cannot 100% control your traffic because it's a part of Facebook. Facebook own this. But the moment you build community, it is yours. You have that power. Facebook has a powerful feature where you can actually tag all the people. So you have some kind of control over that traffic. So that's why I always recommend, because build Facebook group, because any point of time your followers can vanish. Your account it might get hacked, but your community will be stay lifetime. Back in February 2023, my account got hacked and I lost all of my Facebook followers. Okay, for 15 days I could not retrieve my Facebook account. But what if I would completely lost my account? But I was not that stressed. I've lost a big audience. No, because I know that this can happen to any point of time. So I build my email list from the Facebook group. I build my Facebook group audience. So that will help you to build community of yours. So Facebook group growth can happen through different social media by putting that link on other social media bio from Facebook funnel. So if you don't know what is Facebook funnel, maybe I'll be linked it to Facebook funnel YouTube video in this description, so you will know what is Facebook funnel I'll talk about. By the way, I'll quickly show you what are the glimpse of Facebook funnel. Here you go. This is my Facebook funnel. This is my Facebook page. People see my Facebook profile, which is well optimized, and the people join my group. How they join? This is once they click over here. This is not a clickable, by the way, but it's a marketing tactic to actually click here so that they can go here. So I'm connecting my Facebook profile to my Facebook group, which is actually helping me every single day to generate leads from my profile. So what I'm doing is every people, those who are connected on me on my profile, driving them towards this Facebook group. Okay, cool. So that is how the strategy all about building your own group. Here the powerful strategy that I was talking about, you can control how when you put @strategy, you can say you can mention everyone once in a day. It means every day you can post one thing and notify all the members inside the group. It means 2.5k members will be notified once I make a post. That's why we call it traffic that you control. Fifth strategy is all about Instagram. Instagram is a very powerful method right now for coaches to connect instantly. So exactly same method that I talked about to how you follow page, then engage the people who are engaging. Similarly, find an influencer and who is actually having your audience. Maybe their recent post, you can go and comment first. What you can do is you can turn on the notification button. Every single profile you might see there's a bell icon right hand side, right, just very close to the three dots. So what is that? That once you turn on the notification for all posts or all stories they post, you will get notified. The moment you get notified from their recent post, you go and comment. The moment you give a value comment, not just like awesome something like that, give a value comment, and that comment can help you to get a visibility. So this is the strategy, powerful strategy. It can help you. Also, the people who are other people are engaging in that particular post, maybe even missed out to comment, but the people who are engaging in that post can be your target audience. So go through their post, see who are they do, and if you see they are engaging in that post, you build connection on that particular page. That can help you to get quality people for your Instagram. You can use something called the search bar to search specific people and go through their recent posts. Like let's suppose this post, you can search about all the recent posts and go to their profile and have some kind of engagement in there. Okay, like I'm just giving example of Sweta. Similarly, you can engage in their profile, and that can help you to build the visibility from those people. Okay, that's the Instagram. That is the fifth strategy. The sixth strategy is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a very powerful method to connect through the keywords. People, like, you will find exactly the people. Here basically we are like doing sometimes it is maybe takes more time, but LinkedIn is a very powerful method. You can directly hit the point who exactly you want to target. Let me show you. LinkedIn is very powerful. Let's suppose I want to search somebody. Let's say I want to target life coach. I'll click life coach, and let's see, click all filters and coaching and mentoring, because I'm life coaching. I'll find specific location. Let's see, in Delhi. I can find, let's suppose, Mumbai. I will choose second and third because for first people already connected, because I want to connect new people, and English. Now what I'm finding is there are 998 people who are not connected with me and they are life coach, and you can go and connect with these people, send them connection request, and boom, you need to just post value on your profile, and maybe sometimes you can give some offer, free offer, to invite them to one-to-one call, invite them for your webinar. That's how we'll do it. Isn't it some powerful strategy? Last, the seventh one, that's something that I've used during my early stage of my journey. That is collaborating with the people who are few steps ahead of me. So what I do is, I know these people can be your competitor, this can be your complementer, but I started interviewing them and I start tagging them. What happens is, once I tag them once, they also do share. So this strategy is a very powerful strategy to get visibility for both. So because it's not something one-way game, it should help both people. So collaboration is the fastest way to grow in this journey as an organic marketer. If you really wanted to grow in organic, you have to look at the opportunities, how you can collaborate people. So best way to collaborate people, to first you give something rather than you expect something. In collaboration, what happens is people expect something first. Okay, mujhe kya milega? No, first you think how you can add value to their life, to their business. Maybe you can invite them for a podcast. You can invite them for a Insta live that can actually help you to get visibility among each other audience. So that's the fastest way. So if you love this, if you got massive value, type massive value, and also type what kind of strategy that you are going to implement from today. So I wanted to see each and everyone's comments, and please do subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and I will see you in the next video.